What if I told you the next wave of millionaires won't come from crypto, coding, or Wall Street, but from farmland? Farming is no longer survival, it's strategy. Across Africa, Asia, and Latin America, quiet revolutions are happening. Young farmers are building silent fortunes while the world sleeps on soil. Food prices rise, populations explode. And guess who holds the keys? Farmers. The land doesn't lie, it produces. If you're not in farming, you're already paying someone who is. From greenhouse leasing to cassava exports, agri-millionaires are choosing diverse income streams. Think land is too expensive? Think again. Smart farmers partner, lease, crowdfund. The land you think you can't afford is making someone else rich right now. In Kenya, Grace started with 1 acre. In India, Arjun built a mushroom empire. In Ghana, Kwesi turned rabbits into real estate. The numbers don't lie. Returns on investment on tomatoes in a good season, 300%. Tilapia in 6 months, doubled capital. Export-ready cassava, global demand. Soil versus salary. A white-collar salary traps you in comfort. The soil sets you free. You chase a paycheck. Farmers build passive pipelines. Smart farming, smart legacy. The richest farmers don't just plant seeds, they plant systems. Land is the only asset that feeds you while you sleep. How to start? Start small. Start now. Don't wait for perfect land. Start with leased plots, urban gardens, digital farms. Mindset is the fertilizer. Farming is not dirty. Poverty is. Farming isn't backward. Ignorance is. If you can hustle online, you can farm offline. The land is waiting. Food never goes out of style. Farming builds fortunes. Are you watching or planting? Subscribe and follow to Farm Smart.
Remember to subscribe and check out the next video. Let's keep farming with vibes.